Okay, guys, here we go. The trades are already taken. Of course, I told you guys that I'm not gonna close the previous trades that were taken by the robot, because of course I trust this robot with all my life, and I can die for this robot. This is the best, guys. Of course, if you want the robot, guys, all you gotta do, you gotta go to our website. You can see our website on the screen there. On your screen, you can see our website. Just go there, and that's where you can purchase the robot, and it will be sent to you within 5 minutes. All right. Now let's look at what 330 has for us. Of course, I believe that the robot is right. As you can see, we're already in profits. And let's wait and see what the robot has seen from this trade. It said buy. We'll see. Let's just wait and see. Yeah, it's now 2 minutes after 3:30. Let's wait and see. You look at that spike there. It spiked, touched the top, and it came back. Let's check on a bigger time frame. All right. It looks proper. All right, let's wait and see. With a little bit of patience, you gotta make a lot of money. You're gonna make a lot of money with a little bit. Remember, guys, if you want the robot, all you gotta do, you gotta go to our website. You can see our website name on your screen. So just go there. And let's look at how much we're on now. We're on 14,000. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Let's check again. 15,000, touchdown 16,000. Okay, still gonna go up. It's pushing. Let's see how much we are on now, because we want to close this trades manually. 17,000. Okay. I believe if we can touch 20,000, we'll be fine. If you can touch 20,000, we'll be fine. Let's look. Okay, 18. Okay, fine. Let's roll. It's a beautiful trade. This one, guys. It's a beautiful trade. We killed it. USDT at 3:30. We killed it. It's dead. We killed it, guys. We killed it. 3:30 is the simplest thing. Let's look at how much we're on now. Okay, 18,000. Okay, no problem at all. I believe it's still gonna go up, but I wanna close these trades, guys. So I'm gonna go off, and I'm gonna close these trades behind the scene, guys. 19,000. You see, touchdown on 20,000. Touchdown. Guys, if you want the robot, you know what you have to do. Go to our website. That's where you can get the robot. Of course, the robot is $250. $250, which is equivalent to 3,500 rands. Get the robot before it's too late, because here's the thing, guys. You invest early in the year, you are ready to tackle the year. That's how it goes, guys. I'm happy if you are happy. Let's go ahead and tackle the year together, guys. I hope that you are in a position where you can differentiate between a good investment and a bad investment. This is one of those good investments, guys. Take it, and then it will help you. Let's check how much we're on now. I'm still gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for 20,000 to touch down. Then I'm gonna close. Anyways, it is what it is. I'm happy. The market is going back up. No problems. Life is good this side. Of course, guys, if you want your life to be good, you gotta get this robot. I'm telling you, if you want your life to be good, you want to enjoy life financially, get this robot. There is no other way around it. I'm telling you, guys, I'm happy. My clients are happy. So that's how it goes. I'm happy, guys. So I'm gonna wait for it to hit 20,000, and I'm gonna be closing all my profits manually. I can't wait for for the take profit to be hit. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I've got my own target. As you can see, 17,000. We are back. We are back in the positive side. So let me start closing. I'm panicking. Let me start closing. But I'm not panicking because of any other reason. I'm panicking because I can see that my target is reached. And if your target is reached, guys, you gotta take your profits and run away. So I'm good. My target is reached. Guys, remember to get this robot. Contact me on my